Welcome to another episode. It's going to be a good episode. This tree is coming down and we are starting my shed build, patio and also his play area. Just put the kettle on and sit down and enjoy. Titan shredder, a rapid shredder. It's a TTB 353SHR. Now I bought it second hand, but I assume they got it from Screwfix. Brilliant piece of kit. It will easily do these big logs, as you can see. This is what, if you've seen my previous videos, I was talking about where the shredders kick back. This was it. I was shredding something about that thick, and it literally just kicked back straight in my nose. Broke my nose. Ooh. Could have been a bit dangerous, couldn't it? There we go, so I've got a notch out of there now, which should make it fall in that direction. So if I cut there you go. Challenge kicked off. Now, guys, and I've probably mentioned it before, I may not have done, I can't remember, but to you tree lovers out there, it is a shame to see this tree go. I did like it, but it was just too overpowering. Like I say, at the beginning of this year, we had this trimmed to where it's cut down to now, and it already went absolutely madness. It just cost too much money. Let's give that a clean. Oh. For this one that I've cut down, I am going to plant a tree where you're sitting, where you're recording from, and I'm also going to do a tree in the front garden as well, so we'll make up for it. Right, it's on the miter saw. All I've done is just done a few angled cuts just to make a pointed end, so when we come to drive it into the ground, it goes in a lot easier. So what I'm doing now is just making some shuttering against the fence. There we go. And then now it's getting a bit dark now, so what I'll do is leave it here for now and we'll carry on tomorrow or in the next couple of days. So this is what we've got so far. So we've got the odd little pegs now going across the ground. That'll kind of give us our finished ground height, and then what I've done is put a shutter in going all the way along this fence. Like so, because this ground is higher than their fence. And that is the pit at the moment. But what I've decided to do is I've started to do decking along there now. So it's going to be roughly 4 metres going across, and about 2 metres in depth. And then now that would be decking. And then, yep, as you know, that's going to be buried. So what I'm doing there now is just marking 18mm down from the top all the way around, and that's where I want the top of the soil to come, just like so. Do this all the way on every peg.
That has all got its membrane down now. That's the tree that I've cut down, and weirdly enough, they've actually started to grow out of the tree. That's how mad this tree actually was. But that's all got its membrane down now. The next task is where them deck chairs are, going straight across is the decking. So stay tuned to the next episode, and I will be starting the decking. From the decking, we'll bark all this area, we'll bark it, and then we'll start on the play area. We may even then do the shed as well. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thank you very much.